Hi, it's Mark Wallinger. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Dash Technologies. During this series of interviews, we'll be talking to Shani, who's our CEO and CTO. He's going to be talking about artificial intelligence. He's going to be talking about data science and machine learning and how they all work together. In addition, we'll be talking about how Dash brings all three of these to the technology community and the business community in general.
As a business owner, you go home and all your employees go home and no one is working on the data. But now, with the help of these technologies, the machine learning and artificial intelligence working for you 24/7, it will give you insightful information when you come back the next day. So this is the power of these technologies. So the business owner came to us 2.5 years back with this vision that he wanted to execute in operating room. Few years back, that was not possible to execute what he wanted to achieve. But nowadays, with the help of AI, ML and data science, these kind of complex problems can be solved. So we helped him achieve his vision with the help of AI, ML and data science. Once you use these three technologies in a rhythm, in a one combination, the payoff can be really huge. Just to give an example, one of the customer that we are working with right now, building a smart operating room, we are going to save a lot of money for the hospitals, and that will make a big impact on a healthcare industry. As we know, the healthcare industry in the US is already too expensive, and all expenses are going back to the consumer. So this is a part of a value-based healthcare, because now we are able to run the surgeries very efficiently and we understand where those gaps are and we can fill in those gaps and improve the efficiency. The technologies that we have used to build a smart operating room, artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science, is providing the insights that were not possible a few years back. Now a CFO with a click of a button has an insight and data that they can see and make decisions, and these decisions are going to be really impactful because now they can save a bunch of money and improve the efficiency in the operating room. Just imagine, with the help of these technologies, now hospital can save millions of dollars, and this will be a game changer for healthcare industry. At the end, the results are huge. We are changing the healthcare in the US. So you can find a team who can help you identify those gaps in your business and solve the business challenges that you have.